The Smart Factory project aimed at increasing the digitization of processes, technological innovation, and corporate sustainability was launched in Brawo in June 2021. A dedicated project team was set up to achieve this ambitious goal. 8 project managers were identified from different corporate positions. They all have different skills and experiences and share a strong attitude for innovation. Through periodic meetings, new proposals and the status of projects in progress are shared with the company management. The main projects of the Smart Factory regard 5 macro areas: energy management, production and maintenance, paperless documental management, communication and management flows, business intelligence. Each macro area contains several sub-projects for a total of over 50 dynamic projects that may change over time. Let's now see in detail some of the projects that are contributing to the transformation of Brawo into a smart factory. The installation of specific sensors allowed to intensify the collection of data relating to the individual equipment and company area's consumption. The information collected is monitored and analyzed using special software and apps that are able to intercept consumption anomalies and send alert notifications to the relevant personnel. This allows Brawo to promptly intercept malfunctioning notices and intervene to resolve them. It's also possible to analyze in detail the data relating to corporate consumption of utilities by intercepting inefficiencies and implementing improvement actions aimed at reducing production costs, environmental impact, and increasing sustainability. Considering the growing strategic importance of these topics, Brawo scheduled an intensification of the collection and monitoring of data relating to company consumption, including an ever-increasing number of company equipment and areas. Another fundamental aspect for Brawo's production process is represented by the management and handling of the raw material. A fully automated warehouse with a capacity of up to 3,700 bundles was installed. Through the interface between the warehouse management software and the company MES, it is now possible to manage in a completely automated way the handling of the raw material. In relation to the production needs, the bar bundles are picked up and positioned on the machine for the cutting operations without any operator intervention. Thanks to this project, it was possible to eliminate the manual operations of the cutting machine's loading, and in general to increase the efficiency of the raw material handling and storage. Monitoring production performance is the key to achieve the company's goals. In the machining department, 2 screens of 75 inches illustrate real-time information relating to the status and performance of each machine. An 80-inch touchscreen monitor, which can be consulted by the operators, displays the trend of the department indicators in real time. One of Brawo's key goals has always been the efficiency of production activities. Over the years, many investments were made in industrial automation, mainly focused on machine loading and unloading activities. This allowed operators to be relieved of manual activities with little added value in favor of monitoring and control activities to increase product quality. This is the direction that will also be followed for the next few years through the installation of further automations. The focus of future projects will be the interconnection between equipment to automate the management of the department's production needs and to increase the work-in-progress material handling and storage efficiency. Besides the automation of manual operations, thanks to the Speaking Drawing project, the digitization of drawings and control charts was achieved in the machining department. All the information relating to the checks carried out in production are now available within a single software. This makes possible to intercept process issues or quickly carry out detailed analysis in the event of anomalies and nonconformities. Special interfaces were developed between the coordinate measuring machines, CMM, present in the department and the Speaking Drawing software in order to automate the recording of most of the dimensional checks. Thanks to the speaking drawing, it was possible to reduce the time necessary for the execution of quality control activities and consequently increasing the number of checks performed and anticipating the identification of nonconformities. To complete the speaking drawing project, the digitization of the test reports issued by the metallurgical laboratory and the inspection certificates issued by the quality control was added. The reduction of the paper used and the related manual compilation activities led, as it is easy to understand, to an increase in the efficiency of the operational activities. Considering the results achieved in the machining department, the speaking drawing project will be implemented also in those departments that today still operate with traditional drawings and control charts. In parallel, the complete digitization of delivery notes is also under development. Additionally, the new automated packaging line was introduced. Its software allowed a significant streamlining of the information flows regarding the shipment and invoicing operations. The sales offices now have a real-time view of the goods available in relation to the unfulfilled order lines and can indicate to the warehouse which shipments to prepare. In this way, they also provide the input for starting the material packaging phase, including weighing to verify the quantities and for the automatic issue of delivery notes and invoices. Since the Smart Factory is based on the availability of clear and accurate data, the information and management flow relating to the supply of the tools is under analysis. Such flow to date is managed almost entirely through email exchanges and/or phone calls. Through the implementation of the corporate MES, the entire tooling management process will be managed in a smart way. All the personnel involved, planning, engineering, production, purchasing department, will be provided with a clear indication of the supply lead time and workloads for the punctual scheduling of work orders. The digitization of the information flow will also make it possible to monitor the performance of both internal and external suppliers to identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. Finally, as the information represents the basis for the management and strategic analysis, business intelligence systems will be developed. This will provide a representation of the single process's performance, becoming an important support tool for the company management. The clear and immediate vision of this information, therefore, represents an important support tool for strategic analysis and the management of corporate processes. Brawo, forging your ideas into innovative solutions in a smart factory.